Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a signature in Gmail. First, open your browser and head over to Gmail. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Now, in the top right corner, click on the gear icon and select See All Settings. Scroll down to the signature section. Here, click on Create New. Here you can type in your name, job title, contact info, whatever you want. Example, I will type my name, click create. You can even change the font, add a logo, or include clickable links to your website or social media. Once you're happy with your signature, scroll down a bit. You'll see options to set your signature for. And finally, scroll down and click Save Changes. And just like that, your signature is now set up in Gmail. Now, every time you send an email, your signature will appear automatically. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. Thank you for watching.